Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ClickUp to Zoom for recurring meetings step by step clearly. To connect ClickUp to Zoom for recurring meetings, first, open your ClickUp workspace. Navigate to the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Integrations. In the Integrations page, locate and click on the Zoom logo. You will be prompted to connect your Zoom account. Click on the Connect button to initiate the connection process. A new window will open, asking you to log into your Zoom account. Enter your Zoom credentials and click on Sign In. If prompted, authorize ClickUp to access your Zoom account. Once authorized, return to ClickUp to confirm that the integration is successful. Now, create a new task or open an existing task where you want to add a Zoom meeting. In the task details, scroll down to find the Zoom integration section. Click on the Add Zoom Meeting option. Choose the Recurring Meeting option from the drop-down menu. Set the parameters for your recurring meeting, including the frequency and duration. Fill in the required details for the meeting, such as the title and description. After entering the meeting details, click Save. Your Zoom meeting will now be linked to your ClickUp task. You can view and manage the recurring meeting directly from the task in ClickUp. Additionally, any changes made in ClickUp will sync with your Zoom account. This setup allows for seamless scheduling of recurring meetings directly from ClickUp. You are now ready to manage your projects efficiently while keeping your meetings organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.